All right, here we are at 7624 Bayport Road, unit number 40 here in Orlando, Florida. This is in Orange County. It's considered a condominium, but obviously more like a townhome. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1808 square foot with a single car garage. The HOAs are $555.99 per year. It covers the exterior maintenance, exterior insurance, roof, walls, etc. It has a guard gate as well as 2 pools and a community clubhouse, if you will. So here it is, very quiet, nice tree-lined area. Brand new roofs were just installed per the listing agent. We'll walk inside real quick. As of today, here just at the end of March, it's been on the market for 33 days, currently listed at $375,000. So you've got a nice coat closet, and this probably won't come across in the video, but very wide stairs as you go in. Directly to your right is a single car garage. You do have some additional space to store things over there, as well as put your car in here. You can see they have an old desk and some paint, etc. over there. Head up the stairs. And you do have another larger closet here. Your HVAC, which is 2012. So again, pretty standard closet. There's your HVAC, a Bryant 2012. First bedroom right here. Nice high ceilings. Nice large closet. Actually, let me show you this real quick before I go further, just to give you kind of a look. We've got a nice atrium coming up the stairs. So to the left, you go into the living space in the master, but we're going to continue down this way. Here is your bathroom for the 2 bedrooms. Then right outside of that is a linen closet. And into bedroom number 2. Again, pretty much a mirror of the other one, except you've got a window here because we're on the corner. And here is that closet. As we walk back down the hall, you'll see this opens up. Over here to your dining room with a chandelier above it, obviously. Nice large porch, all screened in, which I'll show you over there. Pretty nice open kitchen, right? You've got all this area over here, looks out into the living space, and then you've got your sink and appliances. And over here is the interior laundry. Again, another place for a little breakfast eating area. Pantry space. You can see a little bit of, this is probably, a few years old on the floor, and you can't really see it, but you've got a little bit of damage on the flooring over there. But again, it's nothing too crazy. And this goes into your master. And this sink looks like it was added, or there was something there before it. You can see that there's a little bit of the drywall. May have been another countertop there, however they did it, but you do have a sink here. Nice large closet. And then into the master bath. And that is just for show. That is not an actual chandelier or anything like that. And obviously into the shower. Do love this porch out here. Again, super quiet community. Nice tall ceiling. You can't tell, again, I don't know if this was a rental or wasn't a rental, but whoever lived here before, when they moved out, there's just a lot of little repairs that need to be done. Screws, where they're hanging it, little whammy there, things like that. Nothing that would be overly complicated. Very easy to have this done, but just enough of them where you'd want to get it taken care of. You can see this is probably an old shelf or something that was up above the TV or below the TV, etc. But there you have it.